Are you guys retargeting on your Shopify store or for your online business? Now, a lot of newbies come to us and they say that they've never tried retargeting in their whole entire lives doing e-commerce. And we literally look at them and are like, you're missing out on a lot of things here and you're literally losing on so much money. In this video, we're gonna show you a simple and easy way to retarget people on Facebook. Here we go. Alright guys, so I'm just in my ad account here, and basically there's not too much to show just because the one we were currently using got completely disabled and completely banned. We can't even access it. We have no access. I actually have to be removed from the BM just in case this one got disabled. So for the purpose of this video, it's just the brand new one that we have. I know there's not much data to show here, but these are the audiences that we've been using to just absolutely skyrocket our retargeting. So I'm just gonna dive into it really quick here. And off the bat, it doesn't look like a lot, and it's really not, just because there's not too many audiences that you can retarget here. Now you notice that we have the add to cart no per at the top here, so that basically just means add to cart no purchases within a 10 days view range. And what we were doing beforehand was basically we would target each day specifically, or in segments. So we'd have the 3 days, we'd have the 7 day and the 10 day, but we just found that 10 days worked best for us, so we've kept it here. Everything here is already optimized, so that's why you don't see 10 different retargeting ad sets. Everything is just congruent, and it's what we're putting here based off what's worked in the past. And then over here you see that we have our 3-second video views. So this depends on whether you're running videos for your ads or pictures. But notice here we have the 7 days, so we've split tested 180 days, we've done 4 days, we've done etc. But 7 days has always worked best for us. And you can have an audience, so say you have a 3-second video view audience where you put them in a funnel, so you can have a specific ad for your 3-day view, then for your 4 days, for your 7 days, for your 14 days, etc. And we've tried that in the past and it has worked. But now, because we're on a new ad account, we don't have that much data to work with, so we're just stuck on the 7 days for now. But until then, we will decide to do that. And here we have our 50% video view, 180 days, not too complicated. And within the ad sets, again, there's nothing super complex. We've been testing budgets lately that are very strange and not very, I guess you could say even. This ad set budget has a $12 budget, $12.47. Now back when we were with our other ad account, we were running $50 to $100 budgets per ad set. But now, like I said, since it's disabled, we've been running lower budgets because we have a spend account, an ad account spend limit. So we can't, we find that using these budgets at 47 cents or the decimal point at the end works a lot better for absolutely no reason. We just had more success with it doing that, so I'm not sure if that's a contributing factor for you guys. All ads are scheduled at 12 a.m. We have our audience here, add to cart no per. We're targeting T4 because that's where our demo is located. Age range, very broad. Now here we have detailed targeting expansion on. Now the thing is, we're not using any interests here, but we found that when we turn this on, I don't know why, but it just worked better. Again, guys, when you split test different things, you'll find different results, and we've just split tested so many things on our previous ad accounts that we just know it works now. So we've turned detailed targeting on for now, and it's worked pretty well. And our manual placements as well, we don't have automatic. Usually when we're doing cold targeting, our top of funnel campaigns, we do automatic placements just because it's easier for Facebook to find people. But in this case, with retargeting, we always stick just to the basic Facebook, Instagram feeds, Facebook stories, and Instagram stories. To go along with that, guys, again, you can test tons of different audiences. These are just the ones that have worked for us pretty well. You can always do your view contents, you can do your page views, you can do your initiate checkouts, you can do all that stuff, and it works quite well. So I highly recommend that you create those. This video is more for intermediate level people, just because we're assuming that you know how to make a custom audience, but we can make a whole other video where we show you how to do that for beginners. And again, guys, in terms of scaling, there's not a proper way that you should be doing it. You don't want to be duplicating your retargeting just because they're going to be bidding against each other. We find that when you literally just increase the budget from here and you just increase it by 20% daily or 20% every other day, we find that that works best. We've been doing this for 3 years now, so we've done a lot of testing and a lot of A/B splits, and we know that just when you increase the budget of the ad set, it does perform a lot better versus when you horizontally scale, which means like duplicating the ad set. So in this sense, you'd be vertically scaling these. Just to show you some of the results on this one here. Like I said, it's a very, very basic retargeting strategy. We haven't spent too much on this ad account. I wish I could show you guys on the other one, but we can't because we don't have access to it anymore. But we see here that this one spent $152, got back 570, 3 ROAS, 3.79, 3.59 for average of 3.19. Pretty good. And this isn't a span of literally like a couple days. I know it says lifetime here, but it actually is a couple days. It's just like 2 or 3 days worth of spend. Pretty much wraps up for this video. If you guys have any questions about this, about retargeting, feel free to reach out to us on eCommerce Street on our Instagram, even our personals at Anthony Polera and Corey Nicholson. You guys will definitely get some value asking us these kind of things. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like the video. It really does help us out as a small YouTube channel if this video does get seen by more people. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon.